Okay, today I'm excited to be checking out Warhammer 40K Battle Sister. So a big thank you to the guys over at Pixel Toys for giving me the opportunity to check this game out early. It is out from today, so go check it out on the Oculus Store. And as always, if you want to find links for any of the gadgets and gizmos I have attached to my head, my VR setup, links to all of those are in the description down below. But let's get into this. I'm going to preference this by saying I have zero background knowledge of Warhammer. However, I enjoy VR gameplay, and I enjoyed the trailer for this. The gunplay, there was a chainsaw at some point, the swords, it all looks amazing. So hoping I can appreciate it and just kind of get into this kind of story for the first time. Bah! Bah! Big robots.
The knights are pushing over the far ridge.
Can I have your sword?
Are you with me, Ophelia?
Yeah.
Ophelia, this is not the time to falter.
Okay.
We're running low on bolt rounds. Let's get to the bunker and grab some more. Aurora, hold this position. Watch for raptors on your flank. Ophelia, come.
Okay, but can I pilot one of those, please? Looks like the movement is just kind of free roaming with the, I wonder if that can be changed. Ah, movement blink, yeah. Cool, yeah, it does look like you can turn on teleportation if that's more your comfort level.
Another battle, another chance to die gloriously in the Emperor's name. You've stood by my side for 10 years, Ophelia.
I'd have it no other way.
Yeah.
There must be mud in the mechanism. Pull the handle
Yeah.
to open.
Very cool.
If you want to get used to the sighting, test the bolter in the range there. Fill up your ammo belt from that case.
Okay, so we let go. It should go back there. It bounced. That was kind of cool. Boop. Very nice. Cool. You just do that to load in. And wow, this is ridiculously accurate. I've played a lot of kind of shooting stuff. Okay, we press A to eject the magazine. Bloop. And then just do that to insert a new one. Nice and quick. Yeah, this is, I mean, the addition of a sight really helps compared to some games that I've played. But, bang, bang. Wow. I'm just overwhelmed by the accuracy right now. And that is probably one of the smoothest reloading actions. Like usually, like, and I get it's realistic to like take it out like that and grab another one, but that is got to be the quickest and most convenient reloading mechanism for while you're in the middle of a gunfight. That's definitely more convenient. Okay.
We'll need to move up the line. Get the door and be on your guard. This place is
Ooh. Let's reload, I think.
Don't I always be?
Like, that was... Ooh.
My soul.
Steady your aim. Yep, that is definitely helpful. Come on.
There's a melter gun over there. You can use it in close quarters to vaporize your foes.
Absolutely. Oh no, that was my ammo. Come back. Yeah. Thank you. Where does this one go? Same. That's full up. Ah, second slot. Okay, nice. Use this to destroy the barrier. This barrier. Oh wow. Ooh. Well, that worked. That did a thing. But yeah, better have a gun out for this reason. Come on. Yes. Like, I actually find myself closing one eye to look down the aim, like that kind of accuracy. Which is, again, I haven't played shooting games like Onward yet, but that's the type of accuracy I'm getting from this at the moment. Shit. Like, I just took off that guy's head. And it was pretty cool. Hold up. Ah, Jesus. That scared me a little bit. Let's go. Let's reload. They seem to like jump down from anywhere. I'm very aware of my surroundings right now. Uh-oh.
Ophelia, are you hurt?
Not even a scratch.
Emperor be praised. You'll have to find another way around.
Fine. This way? Oh, is this just a second of my gun? I have two of them. Can I hold two at the same time? Yes, you can. That's good to know. Can I swap hands? Yes, you can. I mean, that's a look. That's definitely a look. Right, where was we going? Finding a way around, right, gotcha. With my two guns. Two guns, not too accurate. I need to stabilize it to be getting them headshots. Where's that other gun? It's a big one. That reload though. Okay. Oh god. Ooh, how do I reload this one? Well, I know what's coming.
Emperor's light.
Not helping. Accuracy. There we go. Yeah. Okay, pretty sure I'm gonna need this. Let's go. Haha.
We're pinned down here! Ophelia! Get on that rhino and cover us with the storm bolter!
What's a rhino?
Slaughtering us! Climb up the side!
That thing? Wow, okay. You don't have to tell me twice. Gimme. Gimme, 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 gimme.
Emperor's light.
I cannot be stopped. Unlimited power. Oh, that's friendly. Go. Oh. Down. Yes. Would I like to be down there with a chainsaw? It would be cool, but this is a giant ass gun, and I'm happy.
The Emperor's greatest blessing. They're falling back.
Then we'll push forward. Do you have my back?
Always.
Wait. Am I dead? Am I dead?
Ophelia! Ophelia, over here!
Viola! No!
I'm okay.
Ophelia!
She's not. Wow. I don't know any medical procedures. There.
Ophelia, you must listen.
Sister Hospital! Try not to move.
Anyone? Anyone?
I don't think I have long.
Sister Hospital!
Speak faster.
Listen. She is alive.
Ooh.
Emperor, no! Viola, you can't leave us. Go with grace, sister. May Catherine hold you in her arms and give you peace. Leonora?
I don't know what just happened, but I'm super intrigued. Alright, that was our first look at Warhammer 40K Battle Sister. Let me know what you thought of the gameplay in the comments down below. Super intrigued to carry this one on. Like I said, compared to some other gunplay games that I've tried in the past, the accuracy of this one was just something different, something special. Aim down sight was just better in practice than some others that I've seen. So yeah, excited to try this one a bit more, try out some of the different weapons, and like I said, with my very little knowledge of Warhammer, one thing I do know, chainsaws. But if you enjoyed this VR gameplay video, give the video a like. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications so you don't miss the next video. Hope everyone's staying safe out there, and as always, I shall see you in the next one.